So I made a lobster roll with sweet potato chips. Yes, indeed. The heart of palm was $2.29, I think. It was $2.29. I had went everywhere for some heart of palm, and they tried it, trying to make it be $6.99. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? And then I got sweet potatoes. They were $1.49 a pound, and I got two, and it ended up $1.80. Let's see how this tastes. Welcome to my series of I Can Feed You Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner for $20. And today we are doing a lobster roll. I have been seeing this all over the place, and I had to try it. And when I say, like DJ Khaled says, and another one, when I tell you this was top tier for me. The flavors, everything, amazing. I want to let you see it. Look at it. Yes, ma'am. Okay, let's see.